Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to cancel multiple repair orders using this our Dev Repair Bulk Cancel via Repair module. You can see here our module Dev Repair Bulk Cancel. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to repairs, go to orders and see here 3 orders in quotation. But I want to move on cancel state. So select these two, go to action menu and see here this menu bulk cancel, click on and see here this. Do you want to cancel all the selected records? Yes, I want. So click on this cancel button. So you can easily see here this selected two orders is move on cancel state. Thank you.